to use Nexo app quick and easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with the Nexo application. So let's get into it. Now, Nexo is a simple wallet that you can use to grow, swap, spend, and borrow against your digital assets, and it is one of the most safest wallets to use out there. Plus, they allow you to create your account simply and efficiently, and you don't have to, wait for verification, or you don't have to pay for anything to hold your crypto assets in a simple fashion. Now, to get started with the Nexo wallet, you're just going to go into your App Store. So you can go into your App Store or Google Play Store, depending on the kind of device that you are using, and just search for Nexo over here. Once you have Nexo, you will be able to see that Nexo is a crypto wallet. So you will see on the top ones that the top is buy crypto, and this is the wallet that you are looking for. Don't install the social networking Nexo. It won't even show up as the top result. The top result is the Nexo wallet that we are talking about. So you will just click on this wallet over here and you will download it. Once you have downloaded it, you will just click on open. And once you click on open, this is going to be your home screen. So if you previously did not have a Nexo account, you can simply click on new account on the bottom left. Once you click on new account, you will enter a suitable email and a strong password, and then you're going to confirm to the terms and conditions and click on create account. Now, after that, they will ask you for a verification with a puzzle to just confirm that you are not a robot, and you will just complete the verification. And you will see that you previously used this email. It will show you that, but I just did that login section just to verify with you guys, to show you guys how to get started. And then you will just complete the puzzle every time you have to log in. You actually have to complete the puzzle just to make sure that there is an added layer of security for your account. Now, you can see over here, you will be welcomed onto Nexo, and you will actually have to set up a PIN. So what is the purpose of a PIN in this wallet? Well, let's say you have your phone and you have the Nexo wallet. You don't want just anyone that picks up your phone to be able to see your crypto wallet and just open it up. So for that, you actually have to set up a PIN, and you just want to set up a simple PIN like this, so on and so forth. Now, after that, the Nexo wallet will ask if you want to enable facial recognition. So facial recognition is only available on iOS devices that have Face ID, so you can choose to turn that off or on. I'm letting that off for now. Now, after that, you can enable notifications, and then you have your data usage. So we will ask our app not to track. Now, you can see this is going to be your Nexo dashboard. So on the bottom, you have your dashboard navigation panel, you have dashboard, you have your wallet, you have the markets, you have the basic card section where you can get a Nexo card, which you can use to purchase items with your cryptocurrency. And then you have the exchange. So to get started, first off, you want to deposit money into your wallet. And for that, you can select any crypto token and you can click on your wallet section. You can click on top up. And from here, you can top up with your crypto wallet. You can choose any exchange. They will give you a few exchange options. And then you even have market information. So you can click on market over here to see the overall market information about a specific token. So this will enable you to see the market cap, the volume, the trend, the overall supply, and the price high of a token as well. And this allows this wallet to be different from other crypto wallets because not only are you going to be able to keep your crypto safe, but you can also monitor the crypto market on your phone. And this is going to be a super helpful feature for people that are just looking to, monitor and, get a good idea of the crypto market with their savings and their investments. So other than that, on your dashboard, you also see the top movers in your market, and you can create a watch list as well. So you can put certain tokens on your watch list, and then they will appear in the watch list section, just so you can monitor the prices of a specific token more closely. Then you can see when you have your balance over here, you have a star sign to the right side. And if you click on over here, you will have your Nexo loyalty rewards basically, and it will show you the base level, the interest rates that you're going to get, and you can upgrade to the different loyalty levels for you to get more features on the Nexo application. However, the base version is more than good enough for most people. Now you can see on the top left you have your My Profile settings, and you need to make sure you complete your identity verification to get access to all of the features of Nexo. If you have not completed your identity verification, you will not be able to access all the different features of the Nexo application. Other than that, you also have basic account settings and application settings over here. Now, next up, you also have, after your wallet, you also have your market section. So from here, you can get an overall idea of the crypto market for the day, and you can filter out your watch list as well. And then you have the exchange section. So you can go on ahead and enable two-factor authentication and verify your account for you to be able to convert one crypto token into another crypto token directly on your Nexo wallet. So you can simply convert and keep your cryptocurrency safe with the Nexo wallet. Now, the best part about Nexo is that you can verify via email, and you can simply verify your identity with the Google Authenticator, as well as just uploading a simple ID or driver's license picture to complete the ID verification, and it serves as an all-in-one platform for your crypto holdings. Now, with the Nexo wallet, not only with these features, but you can also refer more friends to the Nexo application and earn money. So you can see every time a friend that has created their account via your link will top up 100 BTC or $100, you will earn $25 in Bitcoin. So that is an amazing feature that they have also introduced. So you can multiply your earnings and just keep your money in a safe wallet and be able to manage it as well as trade from time to time. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with your Nexo application, and you're able to manage your transactions and save your cryptocurrency using the Nexo wallet. And another feature that they have is that you can go into the wallet over here, and on the top right you can monitor all your transactions, and that's a feature I think I've already talked about, but you can even get a CSV file of all of your transactions from the top right over here, which is super helpful if you ever want to, switch wallets, or if you ever want to use a different wallet. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.